Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome to Math with RG. Thank you so much for checking out this lesson today. Remember, it's going to be you and I, and we're going to conquer this. Are you ready? Here we go! Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about systems of equations with word problems. All right, now the key to this is finding the key words. So, for example, we're going to start off with this basic one right here. All right, just remember, it's you and I, and we're going to do this together. Math can be your friend. It can be a lot of fun too. So here we go. Let's check it out. All right, find the value of the two numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. Okay, now, keywords, what are those? I'll give you a moment to think about it. You got it? No? Oh, okay. What about you? How you feeling? All right, here we go. Keywords, sum and difference. So here's the thing, everyone. We don't know what numbers these are. Now, you may have already maybe tried to figure this out in your head, and that's okay. But I'm going to show you the step-by-step translation process so that you understand how to do it for the harder ones that you can't do it in your head. Okay, so find the value of the two numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. And by the way, there's one more key word, and that is. Pops up here and here. So we're going to translate these English words into math symbols. So remember, we don't know what these are, so we're just going to call it X and Y for the two numbers. Now, the very first thing said their sum is 12. Well, sum means the answer to an addition problem. So we do X plus Y. Is means equals. So equals 12. Okay, now we've got another equation. Their difference, so again we have X and Y, but this time difference. Difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. Oh, what's the difference between you and I, you and I? What's the difference between you and I, you and I? Hey, I don't know why I'm just breaking out in the song. It happens. Anyway, their difference, subtraction. So the answer to a subtraction problem, so X minus Y, and then again we have is, so equals 4. Okay, so now we have to just go into those methods that we talked about before. If you watched the elimination video or the substitution video, or honestly, even the graphing video could help you. But here we go. Let's see. I'm going to go with elimination. All right. Now, if I add these two equations together, will anything cancel? Well, let's see. X plus X, that would be 2X, so that won't. But what about Y plus negative Y? That would be 0, so those cancel, so that works. All right, so let's rock this out. X plus X, that's your 2X. Y plus negative Y is 0. And then we have 12 plus 4, and that equals 16. All right, 2X equals 16. 2X, that means 2 times X. So what do we do to both sides? Well, we have to do the opposite. And what is the opposite of multiplication? That's right, division. Divide by 2, divide by 2. You can see in algebra we have to balance both sides of the equation. Both sides, that means left side and right side. Oh, of course, that's backwards for you in the video. Left side and a right side. Right? There we go. Okay. All right. Anyway, so here we go. What is 2 divided by 2? That is 1. So that just leaves us with 1 times x, which is just x. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, so we found one of our numbers. It's 8. Okay, well, if I know that x equals 8, I can now use substitution and plug it into the other equation. Okay, so here we go. We're plugging in 8, showing with the parentheses that that's a plug-in. And we've got minus y equals 4. Okay, and so now we're going to subtract 8 on both sides because it's a positive 8. So I have to do the opposite, which would be subtracting 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So we have, careful here, negative y, right? Because the negative sign is still there, right? This minus sign right here, or negative sign, same thing. Right there, it's still there. So make sure in algebra that when you do something to both sides and something cancels out, you bring everything straight down. Okay, so we have negative y equals, what is 4 minus 8? Well, if I have $4 and I want to buy something that costs $8, I have to borrow $4 from somebody, which means I'm going to be negative $4, right? Or I owe somebody $4. Again, 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Okay, well, remember, we're solving for y. Do I have y? Do I have y? Nobody there. Do I have y? No, I do not have y. But what do I have? I have negative y. Well, negative y means negative 1 times y. So I'm going to do the opposite, which would be dividing by negative 1 on both sides. Cancels out. We have y equals 4. Okay, so there are my two numbers. Now, we have 8 and 4, so we have to double check this. Remember, the question said find the value of two numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. So, real quick, let's check it up. We're going to go with this color. So, we've got 8 plus 4, that is 12. And then we have 8 minus 4, and that is 4. Their sum is 12, their difference is 4. All right. Thank you all so much for watching this lesson today. This has been Math with RG. I'm Ryan, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.